Your Telegram profile is currently as exciting as a wet cardboard box. You're missing out on the one feature that actually makes you look interesting. And no, it's not another cat sticker. Let's fix your boring life by adding some music to your profile. First, open Telegram and log in, assuming you haven't forgotten your password again. Pick any random contact or chat, they'll just have to deal with your spam for a second. Tap that little clip icon at the bottom and select File, then select from Files. Find that one audio file you've been obsessed with and send it. Now, wait for it to finish sending. Patience is a virtue you clearly lack. Once it's there, play the audio and tap the title at the top like you actually know what you're doing. Finally, hit Add to Profile and tap View to admire your masterpiece. If this actually worked for you, leave a like before I tell everyone what's really on your playlist. Comment the word Telegram below so I know you aren't a bot.